In this video, I will show you how to add the Twitter newsletter to your Twitter profile on mobile phone. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, before we start, you should know that Twitter newsletters are usually hosted on Revue, which is an editorial newsletter service. And you can use your Twitter newsletter to promote your content, find new audiences, and also get paid for your content. Let's now see how to set up your Twitter newsletter on mobile phone. And the first thing is to go to your Twitter account info, then click the newsletter feature. And on this page, you need to click this button to access Revue. Now, on Revue, you need to first of all sign up in order to start making newsletters. And you can sign up with Twitter or with an email. If you decide to sign up with Twitter, you will be prompted to authorize the Revue app to access your Twitter account. After this, you will have your Revue account set up, and you can go on to edit your username and newsletter title, and also select your country. Then from there, you can create your first newsletter on this page. And you can clearly see where to enter the subject, the introduction, and also the body of your newsletter. And concerning the newsletter body, you can add text sections, links, and media like images, videos, and tweets using these buttons below here. Then after composing your newsletter, you can preview it and also schedule an issue. And if you click this settings icon, you can save your newsletter section for other issues and perform other tasks. And to quickly conduct a review, you can use this conversation button. And if you click this menu above here, you can always see your issues, add subscribers, and also check your newsletter insights. Now, if you click on your account, you can edit your profile settings, design your profile style, integrate your profile with other social media platforms, edit your payment settings, or even delete your Revue account. In the next video, I will show you how to make money with your newsletter. So if you are interested in that, ensure you check out that video too. And finally, to show your newsletter on your Twitter profile, you need first to click this integration button. And on this Twitter section, you need to click this settings button, and from there you can enable this feature. Now, if you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more of these exciting videos.